Hi guys, this is Igor from Australian Crypto Talk, and today I'm gonna do a quick video about how to buy and sell Bitcoin in Australia and other cryptocurrencies. I've already done a similar video before, but I just want to make another one because people keep asking me about how to buy Bitcoin, and I also wanted to make it a bit shorter this time. So before, just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. And also, I want to emphasize something. Please, before you buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, please read about blockchain and understand what it is. You don't want to invest in something you don't understand, because a lot of people have that fear of missing out. They just want to jump on a train because they heard about Bitcoin in the news. They've heard that someone made millions of dollars, and they just jump in it, and then they have no idea what Bitcoin is. So please do your due diligence. Please read about Bitcoin, understand what it is, and then, only then, buy a small amount. Once you get your small amount, transfer it to your wallet, make few transactions, understand how it works, and then start slowly scaling in. Please do not go all in, do not get a mortgage, please do not put anything you can't afford to lose. It's a good investment, but it's not the only investment you should be using. So if you've got your money in properties and shares, please keep that money in there, and then just put a small portion of your portfolio into Bitcoin. And then as you feel more comfortable with it, then based on your risk tolerance, if your risk tolerance is quite high or quite low, you may invest different amounts into this. Okay, so you can buy Bitcoin on few websites in Australia. One of the most famous one is coinspot.com.au, and if you use this one, please use my referral link, which is in the YouTube video description below. That will give us both some incentive. Sorry, not incentive, some benefits. There's also CoinTree, there's the Independent Reserve, there's BTC Market. So I like to use this website, blockcoin.com.au. That gives you like a snapshot of all the Australian exchanges where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, and it also gives you the best price for the day. It gives you the worst price for the day. It gives you the 24-hour low and 24-hour high, and it kind of lists all those exchanges by price. So it's quite handy. I usually use Coinbase. I know the fees are quite high, but so is the price is low though. Like it's a fairly good price, but the transfer fee has been quite high recently. But it's very convenient. And what I like about Coinbase is that you use your credit card. So when you register, you put your Australian credit card in. So all those other exchanges, they don't allow you to use credit card. They give you you either use BPay to deposit money into the website, or use Poly payments system, which is also kind of like an internet banking transfer. You transfer your funds into their website first, and then use those funds to buy Bitcoin. And the reason why I like Coinbase is because Bitcoin price is very volatile. It can change like in a matter of minutes, hours and minutes. And it can pretty much drop or rise by like 20 or 30% easily on a day. And by the time you transfer money to the exchange, you may miss out on the opportunity to buy Bitcoin. So I like Coinbase because I can purchase instantly using my credit card. So I usually don't miss out on those dips because I use Coinbase. And so what, that the fees are a bit high and then the price may not be as good, you end up actually catching dips really well because you can buy instantly, unless Bitcoin is down. So that's another problem. But that's what I use. I also use CoinSpot just for convenience as well. But recently they've frozen Australian dollar deposits. But I think this is only temporary. So this should probably that freeze will be probably removed in the first week of January 2018. So it should be good to go after that. Other than that, BTC Markets is pretty good. Independent Reserve. So the way it works, so how you buy it, the way it works, you just register with an exchange, then you have to go through this verification process. They take like 100 points of identification from you, and then once you get verified, which I've heard takes about a week or two, because they've got a huge backlog of new users just pouring in. So they've got a fairly big backlog, all of those exchanges. Once you get verified, then you can start trading and buying Bitcoin. And it's fairly simple how you buy, like with sites like Cointree, CoinJar, CoinSpot, Coinbase, you buy instantly from the company. With sites like BTC Markets, ASCX, Independent Reserve, they are exchanges, so you buy from other people. You actually have to put a buy order in, and then or sell order in if you want to sell your Bitcoin. So BTC Markets, I've used BTC Markets. I haven't used ASCX or Independent Reserve, but they're quite liquid. They're not as liquid as US exchanges, but they're still pretty good. So your buy order will go through fairly quickly, depending on the price you put in. But it's not too bad. So if you want to buy at market price, your order will go pretty much straight away. If you want to buy at lower price, you might have to wait, because someone will have to be willing to pay that lower price on those exchanges. So once you buy your coins, you get allocated those coins in the exchange under your account, but please be mindful, you do not own those coins. They hold the private keys on your behalf. What private key means? So if you think about Bitcoin as a kind of electronic padlocks, just think of it as virtual padlocks somewhere in the cloud, on the internet, in the cloud. Those virtual padlocks, you never actually have physical access to those, and Bitcoins are always in those padlocks, and all you get when you buy Bitcoin never moves into your account. All you get is the private key for that specific padlock, so you can actually open it and get access to that Bitcoin. So private key is that virtual key that you get. And in the case of exchange, if you've got Bitcoin on exchange, they own those private keys. So if they shut down, you most likely will lose your Bitcoins. So it's always recommended to move Bitcoins off the exchange, because exchanges, they get hacked, they can close down anytime, they can go down. You might be trying to buy Bitcoin and exchange could be down. If you've got it on your wallet, you always have it. If there are any forks which are like upgrades, and sometimes you get free Bitcoins, it will be up to the exchange to decide whether to give you those free coins or not. And if you own your Bitcoins, if you have it on your own wallet, on your machine or on your hardware wallet, then it makes everything so much simpler. So please, when you buy Bitcoin, move it off the exchange into the wallet. And to understand more about wallets, I'll probably post another video about wallets. So your options are usually, I'll do another video, but I already have a video about wallets. But basically there is a Trezor, which is a hardware wallet. It's a little USB device that you plug into your machine, you transfer your Bitcoins onto it, and then you unplug it, so it's always offline. It's very secure. It's one of the best devices you can get. And there's a Ledger, Ledger Nano S, and Ledger Blue. They're the top wallets you can get. Alternatively, you can get Exodus software wallet, which you install in your machine, and I've got a few videos about it as well. So once you buy your coins on the exchange, transfer it, withdraw it from the exchange into your wallet, and keep it on your wallet. When you are ready to sell, move your coins from your wallet back to the exchange, sell it. You'll get Australian dollars, and then you can withdraw those Australian dollars into your bank account. But please be mindful, when you sell your Bitcoin, it's a taxable event, so you will have to pay a tax, and you have to keep record of that sale. So I think that's pretty much it. I'll do more videos over the next few weeks. I'll do a video about wallets, I'll do a video about trading. So please keep in touch, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos, and like it as well, because when you like it, other people will see it and it will promote that video a bit better. And thank you for watching. Also, please join my Facebook group, and also if you need any consultation one-on-one, please contact me. My details are below that video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.